satrap fled, no battle fought. The Persian rule already caught. In collapse from Issa's blow, as the Macedonian marched south to go.
Egypt opened wide its gates, no walls to test, no clash of fates. After decades ruled from far, the people watched a rising star.
To Memphis came the foreign king, yet wore the crown of everything. He honored gods, restored their name, not ruling Egypt as a flame.
Across the desert far and low, he walked to Siwa's sacred stone. The oracle spoke words unclear, but crowned him son of Amun here.
No chains were struck, no blood won, yet foreign banners still were spread. The satrap gone, the priest restored, but Egypt bowed to another lord. Was he the dawn that broke the night, or just new power dressed in white? A savior's name, a conqueror's claim, to truths carried by the same flame.
Where sea meets land and trade meets thought, a city planned, a future born. Greek lines cut through ancient sand, a bridge between two worlds was planned.
Harbor deep and streets aligned, a capital for sea and mind. Not built for gods of Nile alone, but for a world yet overthrown.
Alexander did not stay, his gaze was fixed much further away. Eastward called the endless war, India's edge unknown before.
Egypt gained no lasting crown, no native king, no power of its own. When the conqueror finally died, his empire split, his truth divided.
No chains were struck, no blood was shed, yet foreign banners still were spread. The satrap gone, the priest restored, but Egypt bowed to another lord. Was he the dawn that broke the night, or just new power dressed in white? A savior's name, a conqueror's claim, to truths carried by the same flame.
This was the end of ancient days, the last of Pharaoh's old-time ways. Greek speech rose where hieroglyphs stood, a new age shaped the ancient flood.
Egypt did not fall in fire, it faded into something wider. No longer censored, no longer alone, but part of a Hellenistic throne.
Remember Alexander's stride, where God and man in one collide. He freed the land from Persia's chain, yet bound it to a broader reign.
Liberator, conqueror, history still asks what he was for in Egypt's sand. His footsteps lie between the truth and the reply.
The Nile flowed on, unchanged, untold, as empire shifted new and old. No chains were struck, no blood was shed, yet foreign banners still were spread. The satrap gone, the
leader's name, a conqueror's claim to truths carried by the same flame. This was the end of ancient days, the last of pharaoh's old-time ways. Greek speech rose where hieroglyphs stood. A new age shaped the ancient flood. Egypt did not fall in fire, it faded into something wider. No longer center, no longer alone, but part of a Hellenistic throne. Remember Alexander's stride, where God and man in one collided. He freed the land from Persia's chain, yet bound it to a broader reign. Liberator, conqueror, history still asks what he was for in Egypt's sand. His footsteps lie between the truth and the reply. The Nile flowed on, unchanged, untold, as empire shifted new and old.